Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just with an interesting case in regards to your keyless remote entry. Again, something we need to keep in mind with this later model technology with the remote keys, keyless entry. Again, most cars will have some sort of device on the car, an antenna or two, which can pick up that key to make sure, yep, I'm the right one, I'll allow you keyless entry. Again, with this particular Audi, we had one where the whole system was down. So the keyless entry wouldn't work, the stop-start button wouldn't work. You had to actually insert the key into the dash to get the car to start. So all that keyless entry functionality wasn't working. It had been to a panel shop and it had some work done on one of the rear doors. Now inside each of these doors, there's 5 separate antennas on this particular Q7. Again, varying on different makes and models, but every one of those antennas must be working for the system to work. If it has one antenna down or not connected properly, etc., the whole system will fail in regards to keyless entry. So in this particular case, the speaker in the door and the antenna in the rear door have the same plug, and the panel beater unfortunately has plugged them in incorrectly. So inside the door, here's a bit of a picture. There's the actual antenna in the door. There's your speaker shroud, and those two connectors were mixed up. They are different colours, but the panel beater obviously was colourblind or whatever and put them in the wrong hole. So the antenna in that door wasn't working, therefore the keyless entry features, and none of that would actually work. Would only work the old manual way, basically. So it's important to understand the system you're working on. This particular case, quite complex, 5 different antennas. All those antennas must be working for that keyless entry system to operate correctly. So just be wary of that, especially with the later model cars as they slowly find their way into our workshop. We have a repair solution on our website regarding this particular fault that we had on the Q7. Again, if you remember, make sure you're consulting those repair solutions. We're adding about 20 a fortnight to our database, which is plenty. And again, there might be a problem there to be able to help you out with that quirky problem you have in your workshop. So again, if you are a member and you want to share a repair solution with us, you get reward points as well if you share some information with us through the TAP network. Hopefully that'll help you out. See you next time.